Hey everyone, Aja here from Pandemonium. We are taking a field trip into Yuma to grab some supplies because there are more stores there and it's just a bigger city in general. So, also we want to go and... What are we gonna do?
Eat?
No! Oh my god.
Look for the next boondocking.
Yes, thank you. And we're gonna be looking...
Recon.
Yes, recon. I'm gonna need you to get it together, lady. Oh yeah, they're gonna check and see where the dump stations and stuff are. So yeah, that is our mission and goal today.
That is so absurd.
Yuma! We've come here to Mitri Lake to scope it out, but it is completely packed here. There's not much room. So they have a lot of no overnight parking and stuff in certain areas where they used to have last year.
And this is just where the bathroom is, right?
Yeah, that's the bathroom up there. It is a really pretty, beautiful spot here, but yeah.
Boy, there are a lot of freaking loons out here.
Oh yeah, this is completely filled with the loons or ducks or whatever.
Look out there.
Yeah, there always is.
That is really beautiful. And get stuck. Really
Potentially flip over.
Look at the view there. Isn't that beautiful? Nice.
That would not be good.
Well, too bad. It's full. Maybe later on. Oh, so pretty. Yeah, there are a lot of puddles in the roads and stuff. Seems a bit wet, but... Here's the main camping area, but it's all full right now.
It doesn't go through. You have to.
Oh yeah, okay. That's fine. All full. Well, there's one spot open right there. Walking the fields. We just left Yuma and I did stop by Best Buy and I picked up the new GoPro 8. That's what I'm filming on now. So I want to test and see how it works. I hope good. Testing out the new GoPro that I got yesterday. So we are headed into town to meet a friend. Scott and Terrier here. Say hey y'all.
Hello. Hey. Is that a 7?
8.
8? They came out with an 8?
Yeah, they came out
you have a fancy
this month.
holder too.
Yeah. Don't mind me asking, how much is the 8?
It was on sale for $349. It was $399.
Sunglasses.
That's not too awfully bad.
No, then with tax it was like $380, but I had some, what do you call it, rewards,
Yeah.
money, and I only paid $298 for it.
Sweet.
Momo.
All right,
The Momo.
we are.
That's right, it'll stay on unless you hit the button to turn it off. And then you can tell it to turn on.
Yes.
That's right.
So we're here at the world famous Grubstakes Bar and Cookhouse, home of the Big Fish Fry. Fish fry. They have some funny signs. If you're drinking to forget, please pay first. It's beer 30 for that. I have mixed drinks about feelings. You look like I need another drink. Free beer, topless bartenders, and tall tales told here. And that would be the tall tale. Aww. Free husband daycare. What do you think about the whole situation, Moo Moo, huh? You don't care? You're just gonna sniff? That's a good one. Therapy is expensive, beer is cheap. No working during drinking hours. Tequila makes my clothes fall off.
And $3 Bloody Marys.
Okay.
And we are out of our clam
Now,
strips.
what is classified as a chicken wing? The wing of a chicken, or is it the little drummy thing?
Well, you got the little drummy things and the little wingy things.
So you have
some
both.
places bring you chicken wings.
Mm-hmm.
The little part, yeah. So they had some wings?
Yes, they're 50-cent wings if you order 6 or more.
Oh, I already got mine figured out. And you have different toppings on those?
Yes, we've got barbecue, we've got sweet Thai, we've got hot sauce, mild hot, and mild hot sauce.
Ooh, that looks
That
good.
makes a good appetizer until we
Big
figure out
fish
what
and
else we
chips.
want.
Absolutely.
Okay, so
Absolutely.
you want 24 of them then?
Yeah.
You're
We
ready.
chose to sit outside because they are dog friendly here. As long as your dog is well behaved. What is that? Do you hear other dogs, Moo Moo?
Hey, thank you.
Thank you. Ooh, look at those.
What is
What do you
that?
think about it, Scotty? What do you think
Mm,
about
muy bien. Mm-hmm. See my eyes? Uh-huh.
it? Oh, twisted?
Oh,
Oh my god, this is like really spicy.
But that's on the wings, right? Not on these little drumettes.
Mmm.
Is the barbecue, is that barbecue spicy? Because it's,
This is really good here.
That's good.
This is really good right here.
Yeah.
Whatever that is.
the sweet and sour?
Oh, is that? I don't know if they call
Yeah,
it.
it's barbecue and sweet and sour.
Give that to the dog when it cools off.
Okay.
There's no bone in it.
Okay, cool.
Oh my
Is that
god.
mine?
Yep, that's
Oh,
your
thank you.
3-piece fish, yeah. And
Ooh.
I'll get you your monstrosity there.
Oh, can I have some mayonnaise?
Yes, yes,
Thank you.
absolutely.
Kind of fit all curled.
That's why, yeah. Look at the fish, it's all curled. It's weird.
I thought it was
Turtle?
calamari strips.
I know.
What is this?
It looks like a big.
Is that yours too?
It looks like one of those blow whistle things. Like, ooh.
Got that?
I'll tell you, those are good fries, though. And I'm not a big fan of fries.
They're the itsy bitsy fries.
Yeah, but they're better for you. Can you imagine 4 pounds of those fries?
That's the challenge.
Oh no, I would not
4
be eating.
pounds.
Full of it. Fly.
Oh, you should dip in
Oh
that.
my gosh.
No, no.
That
yeah.
would be. Oh, I gotta try this out. A fry, dip in that.
Alrighty.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Here comes your burger.
I know.
Look at that.
And there's
My
some
fries.
mayonnaise
What's
there.
that called?
Oh, thank you. Oh, did you bring me a mayonnaise? Or is that mine?
Oh.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, let me get you another mayonnaise.
Put this on.
Was that her mayonnaise for her thing?
Sure.
No.
Show us
Ausiale.
your... There you go.
It's the lot lizard.
Jeez Louise.
I know. It's really big.
That's what she said.
Yep, that's why we're married still for 35 years.
How's
No.
everything out here?
It was good. I couldn't finish. I needed to go.
Yes, I
You
need.
need those
I
in more
need one
diet?
too.
Sure, sure.
Please.
I need. No, not a hotspot. I don't want to
Get
use
it,
the
Scotty.
computer. I just want it to play.
That wasn't a good one. Mama wants in on that. Come on, Moo.
It was asleep. She don't care. She's like, no, no. Mama, what is going on with your coat there? You look like you're wearing a bib. Oh no! Look at Terry, she looks like she's wearing a bib.
I know. Where's the video?
There we go. Well, I'll definitely say the test of the new camera went well. I liked the video. The volume on the camera is not very loud. I do have to turn it up when editing, so I'll see if I can do something with the settings. I do want to get a microphone for it, but that'll be at a later time. I'm still going to go ahead and use it and just work with it. I hope you liked it, and this will be our last day here at this location. We're going to be going somewhere tomorrow, so I'll show that in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Thank you guys for hanging out. Bye for now. Mwah. Good night.